Hey friends, in this video we're going to explore some of the most useful commands in Linux: ping, netstat, curl, and SSH. These tools help you test conditions, see what's happening on your network, fetch data, and even log into remote servers. Let's break them down one by one. So I'm inside Oracle VirtualBox and open my terminal. So first off, we'll use ping. It checks if your machine can reach another computer on a network. So I'll type ping google.com and hit enter. So here we can see this command sends packets to Google and shows the response time. So this will keep running until I don't stop it. So just for a demonstration, you can see the execution keeps going on and on unless I close the terminal. So I'll open the terminal again and I'll type the second command, that is ping -c for google.com. So here, this command sends only 4 pings and then stops the execution. If you can't reach a server or a site, ping is the first tool to test your connectivity. Next is netstat. It shows active connections, listening ports, and routing info. So currently we don't have any server or site connected to this virtual machine, so these commands won't execute. But for reference, I can show you the command, that is netstat -tuln. This command shows listening ports with protocol details. Then we have netstat -anp. This is used to display all connections with process IDs. This is super useful for checking which services are running and whether the ports are open. Now, next we have curl. So it lets you fetch data from a URL directly in the terminal. For example, if you want to fetch the contents of a web page, you need to type curl and then the URL, that is http:// you can type like google.com, and when we hit enter, it fetches the web page content. Next, we can type curl -o https, you type like google.com /file.zip. So this command lets you download a file. Next, we have curl -I https. Now we have colon here, colon slashes, we have google.com. And this is used to show only headers like server type or status code. Developers use curl all the time to test APIs and download files without a browser. So currently on Oracle VirtualBox, this command won't run, but if you're using an actual Linux operating system, these commands will run. Finally, we have SSH. It stands for Secure Shell and it is used to log into remote servers securely. So the command will look something like SSH, the username. For this, I'll write this. So the username and then the IP address. So this command logs into a server at that IP with the given user. Next we have SSH-p quadruple 2 user@host. So this command connects to a custom port. Next we have SSH file.txt user@host /, the location, and if you hit run, it securely copies a file into the server. So if you're working into cloud servers on AWS, Azure, or Google Cloud, SSH is your lifeline. To sum it up, ping checks if a host is reachable, netstat sees active connections and ports, curl fetches data from the web, SSH is used to securely connect to remote servers. Master these and you'll feel much more confident working with networks, servers, and Linux. If this video helped you, hit a like, comment, and thanks for watching.